Mexico's famous rice balls. We got our mise en place in here. As you can see, there's a lot of finely chopped herbs like parsley, basil, and we have our brunoise of Soppressata, 2 eggs, and then we put in our perfectly cooked sushi rice that's not mushy, that's perfectly cooled. You can see the individual grains. I like to use sushi rice because, unlike arborio rice, it tends to be a little naturally starchier and stickier, with less chance of it being more mushy in the end. It gives it a little more to the tooth. Now I'm using a blue handle scooper. You could use a white handle scooper, pack it up against there, but not too much to crush those beautiful grains of rice. I'm going to go back and forth, make sure your hands are a little damp so you don't have them full of rice. And then we're going to stuff it with a beautiful chunk of Grande brand mozzarella cheese. After these come out of the fryer, they give you an awesome cheese pole that can go 6 to 7 feet, even longer. Okay, so let's get these all finished up. Now we're going to batter them in our homogeneous egg. You see it doesn't look like there's any egg whites, and we got our seasoned Italian breadcrumbs. We season them in-house. So just light, one hand wet, one hand dry, and then we're going to submerge that into our seasoned breadcrumbs. If you like an extra crunch, sometimes we double batter these, so once you get them all done, just dip them again, and you get crunchy madness. Like I said, you could use a larger scooper, like a white handle. That is about 3-4 ounces, or even bigger. Again, these are my style of rice ball that I've been influenced many years by different Italian chefs and other things over the years. So we're going to put them in our fryer basket, never drop them into the oil, and cause a eruption of oil to go all over you, yourself, your peers, God forbid your children standing near you. Okay, lightly put them on there, and then we're going to submerge them in very clean oil. Always make sure your oil is clean, okay? Nice and clear. Okay, these guys need about 5 minutes. They're nice and golden brown. Check them out now. We'll plate these bad boys up.
They should have got some. The budget does like try to attack one of the little partners. If there would have been some kind of and some will show up like
Let's see here. Okay. Somewhat cheesy.
Yeah.
Okay. Squeeze it slowly, slowly. Cheese a puller. Very nice. Oh my God.